Have you ever struggled to plan an industrial tour to Japan? Tech Tours Kansai can solve your problems. We offer the first service in Japan that allows you to easily customize your tours. Our service area, Kansai, located 500 kilometers west of Tokyo, consists of 7 prefectures. We can connect you to many environmentally friendly, energy-related facilities and places where you can witness cutting-edge technologies. There are also many small and medium-sized companies that have been in business for many years. Kansai also offers opportunities to experience all kinds of Japanese industry and culture, including products built upon traditional techniques. Tech Tours Kansai will change the way you do company visits. We support you by coordinating meetings with interesting, relevant companies. Drive your business forward with Tech Tours Kansai. The unique aspects of Tech Tours Kansai don't stop at business. We can help include various attractions as part of your tours. Experience bustling neighborhoods, Japanese architecture, cuisine, culture, nature, and more. We take pride in designing open-ended, flexible, original tours that comprise many options. We encourage you to visit Kansai and experience everything that Japan has to offer.